Gallagher here. I'm doing a Nerf 4 with my little brother, and I'm going to show him.
And also, guess what? I want to say something. My brother is going to be using the Mega one, Detroit Gallagher.
But don't listen to the noise.
And that's all I have to say. Ready?
Wait, no.
There's part 1 and part 2.
I'm using that gun for part 1. He's doing it for part 2. But for part 1, he's going to be using
the lightsaber.
Yes.
Watch this.
Hold on, Jane, get it in the light so they can actually see it.
Okay, and also, I'll say something about this. It makes noise.
And showing them the noise, of course. Alright, only do it once because we don't want the gun breaking again.
Okay, now all we need to do is go against the other one. We need to go in there. We need to go get the other Mega Boy, and then we're good. Where's the other boy?
Oh wait, I think I know where it is. It's over here.
Oh, I found it.
Never mind. Wait, why was it under there? Alright.
Okay,
So yeah.
Got loaded for you.
And so yeah. So let's get started, boy.
Also, there's part 1, part 2.
Yep, I already showed them that. On the numbers off for TV so you don't hear it.
And also, guess what? And also, we want to show you our fort. We already made it. This is my fort. And then now this is his.
He messed up on it a little bit, but we're allowed to get out of it only for the bullets. But we can't get out of the fort and shoot.
No, so those are other Nerf guns.
Yeah, but we're not gonna use them.
Yeah, cause we still have to fix them. They're all broken.
Yep. So let's just hope you guys can see us.
Let's
Right, we do.
Started. Ready? Ready? Set. 3, 2, 1, go! I'm attacking your base. Woo! Oh, dang it, I missed. This is hard.
Okay, alright, I'm gonna go out for my bullet. Oh no, it's away in his base, oh my god.
No, I missed it! Oh! To set, I'm going to be fair. I'm going to give you.
Oh, he's doing my don't touch my butt. Oh god, he broke my base! He broke half of it. And you cannot build your base.
Oh!
Crap, I missed it!
It's right there.
Oh my god!
So much fun, everybody.
This
is so much fun.
And with the base destroyed,
Then
go for me.
Yeah, then I win.
Nope. It's him who wins.
Oh!
I got him! I have to do 5. I have to do 4 more shots. Yeah.
So I can't get out of your base.
I know I'm not.
You're such a cheater. You go 2 times, you went out of your base.
Oh no, okay, yeah. Right, whatever.
So Troy.
So that one didn't count. Oh, I got him.
Only one.
Yeah, it didn't count, but I got him. Oh, he almost got me.
Gotcha.
Oh! Now you gotta get it 4 more times. Here's your gun. Gotta get it 4 more times.
Troy, don't do that. Or you just say, oh yeah.
My base is destroyed. I can't do it. Oh! Ow! Okay, alright. 3 more times and I'm done. Untouchable.
Troy, I ate 2, you have 1 kill. What? Troy, you have 2 kills. Troy, you have 2 kills, I have 2 kills.
Huh? You got 3.
Gotcha!
Oh my god, 2 more kills.
Troy,
I got you.
no, you can't do that.
Wait, how did I?
Fine, 3.
Alright,
3. All we need is 2 more kills, and whoever's gonna win this, 2-2.
No.
Yes!
Hit my gun!
Joy.
Okay, I'm shaking. Alright, one more kill, then I'm done.
Okay, this is getting death match. We cannot do that. Okay,
Yeah, we do.
Alright,
This
is death match.
this is. If he hits me,
This is death match. So that if I throw my sword and it hits him, that means I win. So if he shoots me, that means he wins. Who is this gonna be?
I have to go fast. I have to go fast.
Gotcha.
Oh, I hit it out! Wait, hold on. My two bullets are down. My two bullets are down.
There's one bullet. I'm taking your other. It's the last.
Yes, son!
I'm doomed. So I can't do that.
What? This still missed.
Oh,
I thought that. My foot.
oh my god, the only thing I have is a shield. The only thing is a pillow. So
I know I can't get out.